Welcome back to What's the Buzz in Western New York. I'm Kim Piazza. People Inc. provides programs and services to more than 12,000 people with special needs, their families, and seniors throughout Western New York and Rochester. Since 1970, People Inc. has assisted individuals in achieving greater degrees of independence and productivity. Let's meet Kamala Robinson, a case management coordinator, who's here to tell us more. Welcome, Kamala.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you so much for coming out. You know, People Inc. does such great work for Western New York. I think you can't throw a stone without finding a family who is helped by People Incorporated here in Western New York. So tell us, what is your job title and what does that mean?
Okay, I am the case management coordinator for the People Inc. Senior Outreach Program, and we assist seniors that are 60 and over that reside in specific areas that we target, and we help them to remain at home, being independent, with all the supports that they need.
And how long have you been working with People Incorporated?
I've been there for 5 years.
So certainly long enough to know what you're doing.
Absolutely.
And in, for the coordinated services that you offer, what are the areas in Western New York that you reach?
Okay, we service North Buffalo, Kenmore, Tonawandas, and Grand Island.
That's a lot of people.
Yes, it is. It is.
And now, here today, we're actually going to talk about two separate programs.
Yes.
That you're involved with, that People Inc. offers to the community. And the first program that I'd like us to really look at, it's a volunteer program for senior companions.
Yes.
So, who volunteers in your senior companion program?
Seniors. The seniors that volunteer help seniors that are isolated in their homes.
You're more comfortable with your peers.
Yes.
And so the volunteers are 55 and older.
Right, the volunteers are 55 and older, and the clients sometimes are 55 and older as well. They do have to go through training. First off, background checks. And then once they complete the training, then we put them together, put them with the client.
You're matching people.
Right,
You're trying to match personalities and even location. These are volunteers, and you're taking care of your volunteers as well.
Right.
You know, People Inc., I know that you treasure volunteers at People Inc.
Yes, we do.
And the volunteers who go into the homes also receive a stipend.
Yes, they receive a stipend, and they also receive a meal reimbursement and travel.
When you find folks who want to volunteer for this program and they go through the training and you've matched them with an individual, what are some of the things that volunteer ends up doing?
Well, a lot of times they relieve a caregiver. There's a lot of caregiver burnt out going on, so they relieve the caregiver. They allow the caregiver to get out and do things that they need to do for themselves.
So the volunteer is there to make sure that the elderly person is safe.
Absolutely.
And to reassure the families, who are typically the caregivers, that it's okay.
Yes.
It's okay to go do your grocery shopping.
Right, they're safe.
And to be with your own family, which is really healthy for everyone involved, isn't it?
Yes.
It's good for the caregiver, it's good for the person who's receiving the care.
Right.
Companionship for both.
Yes.
And so that would be the senior companion program.
Right.
You also have another niche, which is senior outreach.
Yes.
So tell us about the senior outreach. How is that different?
Okay, so the senior outreach is more of coordination. So we try to identify seniors that are 60 and over residing in their home that want to stay home. That's a big thing with seniors. They want to remain home, independent, with dignity.
Of course.
So we go out and do assessments and try to help them fulfill that.
And that is specifically what you do.
Yes.
That is what you personally do.
Yes, it is.
And so if someone is wanting the coordination, the age is 60 and above?
It's 60 and above, yes.
And what parts of Western New York are available to receive coordination?
Well, they can receive it in Erie County.
All of Erie County.
Yes, but our agency just services North Buffalo, Kenmore, Tonawandas, and Grand Island.
Specifically People Incorporated.
Yes.
And so if someone's watching the program and they have a family member who is a senior who's at home, they just call you.
Yes, they can contact myself. The number is 768-2357, and I would do an intake over the phone, get some information, and assign them to a case manager.
So it's really very simple for the families that want to be involved with the coordination. It's a phone call for them.
Yes.
Because then you do the legwork.
Right.
You'll come into the home, you'll meet the senior.
Yes.
You can even assess what may be available to those seniors that they might not know about.
Absolutely, and it always happens. They might call us for one thing, and we get out there and we take a look at a bigger picture, and we offer more services to them.
And to be available for this coordination, is it based solely on age?
Yes, it's 60 and over in Erie County. But for the caregiver, they can be any age to receive services. We do offer caregiver counseling, so.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
So tell me a little bit about the caregiver counseling.
Okay, the caregiver counseling is also through Erie County. They link with other agencies in Erie County, and it kind of just, relieves that burden that I told you about, the burnout with caring for someone. It is very difficult when you're caring for someone.
It is.
So they can go and meet with other caregivers that are experiencing the same, and they just talk about it.
That's just fantastic. People Inc. is just constantly finding new ways to support Western New York.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for coming and
Thank you
telling
again
us
for
about
having
these
me.
programs. They're really important programs for Western New York and for families. And if you would like more information on the Senior Companion and Outreach services offered by People Inc., you can give them a call at 716-768-2357. That's 716-768-2357. You can also find People Inc. online at people-inc.org with more on what is offered and how you can volunteer.